Have you ever made a wish upon a shooting star? That fleeting, dazzling streak of light in the night sky is more than just a beautiful sight. It's a fascinating cosmic event. What we commonly refer to as a shooting star is actually a meteor. But what exactly is a meteor, and why do they light up our night skies? A meteor begins its journey as a small rock or particle from space. These space travelers are often debris from comets or asteroids. When a meteor enters Earth's atmosphere, it encounters a high-speed collision with air molecules. This collision generates immense friction and heat, causing the meteor to glow brightly as it disintegrates. This glowing trail is what we see as a shooting star. Sometimes you might see not just one, but many shooting stars in a short period. This happens during a meteor shower, an event where Earth passes through a dense trail of debris left by a comet. Comets are icy bodies that, as they orbit the sun, shed dust and debris. When Earth intersects this debris, the particles burn up in our atmosphere, creating a spectacular meteor shower. Meteor showers occur at specific times of the year and can be predicted with great accuracy. Some well-known meteor showers include the Perseids, which peak every August, and the Geminids, which light up the December sky. Meteors vary in size. Most shooting stars are tiny grains of sand or small pebbles. However, larger meteors can create spectacular fireballs, and very rare, they may even survive their fiery descent to reach the ground as meteorites. While meteors are fascinating from a scientific perspective, they also hold a special place in our imaginations and cultures. Many people make a wish when they see a shooting star, hoping for a bit of cosmic magic in their lives. Next time you see a shooting star, remember that you're witnessing a spectacular cosmic event. Don't forget to make a wish. For more incredible space facts and celestial phenomena, subscribe to our channel. Keep looking up and stay curious about the universe.